Good morning. How are you doing? Are you doing well? Okay. So today we will talk about English or our problems, how to learn English. Okay. What do you think about English? Means, sorry. I will. You have to ask one question. Can you speak English? This question is literally comes in our heart. Okay. Means, can I speak English? But think about yourself. And if you think, yeah, I can speak English, then don't think about people. What it means? It means nobody cares you, nobody believes you that you can speak English. I hope you are getting my point. Yeah, today this video will be only in English language. I don't want to speak Hindi in these videos or Bhojpuri. I want to speak only English to English. Got it? Yeah, only English. So nobody cares, nobody believes, and nobody trusts you that you can speak English, because everybody feel jealous that you, if you speak English, then somebody judges you that by your body language, by your speaking. Yeah, if you from Bihar, then if you from villages or from city, and if you speak English front of anyone, they body randomly judge you. Yeah, if I speaking English, how smartly you speak English. And if you make some error, some mistakes, if you don't know vocabs, somebody will say, yeah, you speak not good at all. Bro, I'm hardly said that. Don't care about people. Don't care people about what will people say about you. You just think about yourself, which studies about from there. And even I don't care about people in villages. What will people think about me? If you have to do you have to do complete that mission. So why do you think about people? Yeah, support it. If you are hungry, okay, if you are hungry, then will you think about people? Yes. People, if people say about you have to eat food, then I will eat. If you think no, because why? Because you have big reason, big purpose, that I am hungry, then I have to eat food. I am thirsty, then I have to drink water. So you have to particularly consider, or okay, and you have to think about yourself, that you are very means precious for yourself, brother. Yeah, I'm just telling about yourself, your reality. Why don't you learn English? Yes. Yeah, don't think, leave it, people. Think about yourself, think about your family, think about your goal achievements. When will you means arrive your means success? What will you do for people who laughs at you? If you become as a good person, good successful person, or if you go crack any government job, they will clap, they will clap for you in future. So why don't you need? You don't need to worry. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything else. Can you see me this where I am? This is I always stay in a local village. It is called Badharia in Chand Prakhand, Kambur, Bihar, and I'm in the Hanuman temple. This is Bajrangbali temple. From my village to 1 kilometer, I think. Oh yeah, 1 kilometer it's distance. This is very peaceful, means a place where I can stay where I can make videos. So why do you think about people? Why do I need to think? Yeah, literally, I'm saying literally. You don't need to think. What will people say about you? And particularly if you think about grammar, then grammar is necessary and vocab is necessary. Then vocab, grammar plus is equal to speaking. You have to speak a lot of practice. Got it? Yeah. Amazing yourself that when you become as a good person, as a as a good quality, means as a high level successful. Then if you think, yeah, when I thought that time will be very means precious, and your family will proud will proud of you. Yeah, got it. Yes, start, bro. You start. This time is very significant for you to begin this challenge. Accept this challenge. Take risk. If you don't take risk, you can't be successful. A big risk, a big responsibility. You take a lot of success, and a lot of achievements. Got it? Cover my inspiration. Okay, I can't means I can't speak incorrect. I can speak true front of God. Hanumanji always bless you that you will be one day a successful person, and please support me. I am just literally from Bihar.